you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is just going to be a quick after work, after dark tidy up with me. These are just some things that I will go ahead and tackle as soon as I get home from work each day, just to kind of try to keep all of the mess in my house at bay. But I quickly wanted to tell you today's video is super special because it's in collaboration with my friend Shanthi, and here she is to introduce herself.
Hi everyone, my name is Shanthi from Shanthi's Lifestyle. On my channel, I have a lot of different content from cleaning, organization, cooking, hauls, some decorate with me's, basically anything that pertains to being a woman, wife, and a mother. After you're done watching this beauties video, I'd love it if you come over to my channel to check out my video and hopefully subscribe if you like what you see. If you do decide to stop by, please let me know down in the comments. Hope to see you there. Bye!
If you guys are not already subscribed to Shanthi's channel, please go ahead and check her out. There's just something about her voice to me that is so soothing. I love to watch her clean. She has got a beautiful home and she's got decor that will knock your socks off. I promise you, you are going to love her. So as soon as you watch my video, go and check hers out and let her know that I sent you. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is start here in the kitchen. I will pick anything up and put it away that is out of place. I will go ahead and load and unload the dishwasher if that is needed and wipe everything down. Because our house is, you know, on the smaller side, I kind of like to do these things every day. That way when I go to do my big cleaning, it's not that bad. And that way also the next day when we get up, everything is nice and I can go to sleep feeling kind of at ease that I don't have a mess everywhere. But let me know in the comments below if you do this too, if you kind of just pick up every single day and try to make it nice to where when you go and do your big cleaning days, like mine's usually on the weekend, that way it's not as bad.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving.
If you're coming over from Shanthi's channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for coming over and watching today's video. My name is Mandy and I'm so glad that you're here. My videos consist usually of anything homemaking or decor. I do lots of cleaning and organizing as well. So if that is something that you're interested in, please stick around, take a look around my channel, and if it's something that you like, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button before you go and become a part of my growing family. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and pick up all of Bodhi's toys because that usually makes the biggest mess in my house, and I'm going to go ahead and get started in the living room. And I've always got to clean the couch because I recently took down Bodhi's kennel, so he is out all day while we are at work, and being on the couch is the one thing that makes him happy. So I've always got to get this clean, and I've found that using some static guard on there just a few minutes before I clean it really helps it. And also my Chom Chom is a lifesaver. If you've never seen this or heard of it, I've got it linked in my Amazon store in the description box. Go and check it out. It's really inexpensive, and if you have pets, it is a definite must. I will not ever live without a Chom Chom again. So Amanda, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for putting me onto this. It is the best thing ever. But there's always toys everywhere and I find them all over the place. It's just like having another toddler in the house. But I'm just going to go ahead and clean the couch, and then I always like to dust off the furniture as well, only because it's all dark and he is a yellow lab and you can always see fur everywhere. So I'll go ahead and get that dusted and get started on the vacuuming.
But you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I generally will leave my house about 6:30 in the morning to get to work, and making my bed before I go is not on my list of things to do. So I'll usually do this once I get home. That way, by the time we're ready to go to bed, it's all nicely made. But I want to know, do you guys make your bed first thing in the morning, or do you just leave it to make whenever you feel that you can do it?
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind.
Next, I'll just go in and clean up my mess from the morning in the bathroom. That way, when I go to get ready the next day, I don't have everything all over the place. I'll just go ahead and wipe down the counters and pick anything up, put any makeup away, and my hair tools. And I don't know about you guys, but it's like somebody has taken apart a wig and just thrown it all over my bathroom every day. There is hair all over the place, and I'm the only one that uses this bathroom. It's crazy that I even have hair left on my head. But after that, I'll go ahead and put my jammies on and throw my hair up, brush my teeth, and take all of my makeup off. And then it's usually time for dinner after that. And on this day, Ruben was actually out, and he called and said, "Hey, how about pizza?" And I said, "Hey, that is perfectly fine with me. I do not feel like making anything." And sometimes that's okay. That's if you don't feel like doing anything, that's all right. You just do what you need to do to get by in life, and I'm not mad at it.
We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this evening after work tidy up with me. This is generally how my evenings go every single day, and everything looks so nice before I go to bed. I really enjoy just taking this little bit of time when I get home to make sure that everything is cleaned up. That way I can go to bed in peace. But also, don't forget to go and watch Shanthi's video. You guys are going to love her. And if you're coming over for the first time today, again, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope you stick around, watch some more videos, and subscribe before you leave. Don't forget forget to follow me over on Instagram. And as always, I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess